Dear manufacturing business leaders, listen to me carefully. There was a vice president of IT of a discrete manufacturing company who strongly believed digital transformation will bring visibility and predictability to his organization, which will result in reduction in operational expenditures and bring new business models. And he initiated two digitization proof of concepts for their production and maintenance functions of their organization with his limited budget in hand. Until one day he found one of the proof of concept called overall equipment effectiveness monitoring, which was being deployed but the business values are not being realized. Another proof of concept called condition based monitoring for predictive maintenance, which has been not deployed properly either because of technology limitations or because of partner incapability, because of which production and maintenance team felt disappointed and thought how this can scale up to the future of the factory. So the vice president of IT decided that this initiative has been broken and would like to start a new approach. So again, he restarted the initiative, identified the new partner and revamped the complete approach on the same use case or different use case and started the initiative successfully. Again, the proof of concept has been deployed, but the business values are not realized or it is not properly deployed. So the maintenance and manufacturing teams are not happy, which makes the VP IT to take a decision. Again, the project has been broken. So he tried to restart the project. There comes a crisis called COVID-19. So all the digitization projects has been put on hold due to budget constraint. So finally, IT and business teams lose hope on digitization or they get confused. From our global industrial digitization solutioning experience, we have seen 60% of the manufacturing companies fails in proof of concept stage itself. There are many reasons exist for their failure in the transformation. Somehow they are deploying digital technology then and there in functions like production, maintenance, energy, quality, but as a business leader, the pain point is they are not able to see any business values in the digital transformation. In how to accelerate manufacturing digital transformation on autopilot mode. To help such manufacturing business leaders, we are conducting a free webinar. You just need to click the book now link below this video, which will open a registration form. You can quickly fill in the details and submit to meet me, Ram Shankar, Chief Executive Officer of Maxpet and the author of Manufacturing Digitization Management Certification Program. And along with me, I have another Ram from Equitas Engineering, the Chief Executive Officer, an innovator and a TEDx speaker. Look forward to see you in this live webinar.